about my topics. If you are not first, you are lost. You are last actually. So yes, this is 100% true. You know, everyone know the current situation. Everyone know the current problem. Almost people lost our job. You know, they don't have any other source to get more of the money. Whatever you have, the savings. This is also true. You already spent till this 3-4 months. But what you have to do, what you can do, you can do only things like you have to stuck at your home. You should be at your home. You should not go unnecessarily outside. This is the only things you can do from your side, from our side. We can't, when we were so much worried about the coronavirus, so much worried about the other things, it will not helpful for you. It never will be helpful for you. Only helpful for you, just change your mindset. Just be flexible with the current situation, be flexible with your time, your scenario, your current time. Not always thinking for the future, not always thinking for the past. Just be with the present and accept the situation, accept your challenges. Because what we have the mentality, we always thinking for the future, other we always thinking for the past. Just giving my self example. When I was working in hotel, that time I want to always think that this job is too much ridiculous. Always working for the 12 hours, 13 hours every day. I want to start my startup. I want to do my own business at my hometown or whatever place. But I want to do my startup. And now I get the opportunities, I get the time, I get the everything for the make a homework for start my startup. That time I am making excuse that this coronavirus, because of this I don't have saving, I don't have money. Instead of this, make excuse. I should be myself should be think about that. You get the time, you get the very cheap internet, you can learn new things. So update yourself. Where you stuck, man? You should be update your version, just like your cell phone. When you buy any kind of any expensive phone, any smartphone, any Android, iOS, whatever you have, you will get the notification after 2-3 months of software update version. Yes or no? So when the company know you spend lots of money, still they are updating our software. So why not updating yourself, your mental software? You always try to stuck at the one place. Whatever you learned 3 year, 4 year, 5th year before in your college, in your environment, work environment, at your home, you don't want to update yourself. That's why you not try to accept the challenges. You always want to be at the safe zone. This is harsh reality. People, that why they're crying. They don't want to accept the challenges. They don't want to be ready for this. They just only think that we learned one time, this is enough for the whole life. No. This is the place where you have to keep update yourself. Where you have to accept the challenges. So what we have to do, we have to understand this is the opportunity which is come to your door. This is the time to learn new skills, new strategies, new business ideas. Whatever, if you want to do the business, you can do you can learn some more things. If you want to do the job in future, you have to add some more skills in your resume. You should be learn, or you get the time, you get the proper time actually. You don't have another drama, you don't have any excuse that I am working, I was busy with my job, I have to do job, and as well as I have to learn this, I have to do side hustle. No side hustle, it's a full-time hustle. This is the time. If you not do right now, you will never get time again till your whole life. You will not get the time. This is 100% true. This lockdown will not come back again. And I pray to God it should not come back to again. But this is the opportunity. If you not grab this opportunity right now, you will always be in the back. People will learn, they will learn very quick, they will run like rocket speed. They will grab our opportunities, they will achieve our goal, they will achieve our target, whatever they said before. So this is the time. Go, stand and run. Learn new things. Take a time for your learning, take a time for yourself. This is your time. and be safe, be happy with your family. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if any feedback, any comments, please comment, and it will be helpful for me update myself as well. Thanks a lot.